today I am going to show you how to make a very cute origami bookmark for your journal. So this helps you just be able to mark your page. So it just fits in there like that. Boop, boop, boop. And they're just a really great way to be able to mark your page, especially for pages that you refer back to throughout the week. If you want to be colorful and frugal, I use pages from magazines. I will say with magazines, since the paper is thinner, you might see a lot of wear over time. For teaching purposes, I'm going to use this plain white sheet of paper so you can see what I'm doing. Also, this is sketch paper. It's cheap sketch paper. I got it at Dollar Tree, but it is a little bit thicker, so it will hold up a little better. Okay, so first, do I remember how to do this? Yes, okay. So first, this is not a perfectly square piece of paper, but ideally you would want to get it at, square. I believe this looks a little longer than it is tall, or taller than it is long. So let's go ahead and all you want to do is just fold it into a triangle. Okay, yeah, this is definitely not a square. I'm gonna cut this because it is a lot of overhang here and it'll drive me nuts. This is what you do if you run into this problem. But yes, so now we have a lovely triangle, and then with your triangle you go ahead and flip the two sides of the triangle up to the top of our, I believe that is an isosceles triangle. I'm not sure. I don't know triangles. All right, let me flip this up like so. Okay, and then we go ahead and fold the edges. And then from here, this is where I tend to kind of get stuck, but that's okay. Then from here, y'all, I literally had to stop the video and remember how to do this. Okay, so you have your triangle with your two flipped up edges. Now you open it back up. Now you fold the top, fold the top down so that it meets the bottom edge. So now you see how you have these two flappies. All right, so you're gonna open one of the flappies, and then you are going to fold these two edges back up over that flappy. Now you will fold, so you have a nice little pocket here. Okay, so now you will fold these two edges inside the pocket. Okay, fold that inside the pocket. Now the last step is to fold the last flappy, so everything's going inside this pocket. It's like making a falafel. Voila. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will make bookmarks for your journal and make them in a lot of different colors, not just white, or just white if that is your aesthetic. I'm not judging. Okay, anyway, upside down wave. Goodbye.